Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Just want to provide a quick update here for everybody who was not present in the live stream. Bitcoin obviously has reached an absolute critical juncture here in this high. Yeah, this high, we talked about that earlier today. To be honest, not much has happened price-wise since then, other than that we have moved a little bit further into this wave 4 support area. Yeah, so this is really a critical juncture now for Bitcoin. So we're going to talk about why. At the moment, I think it's absolutely relevant just to understand the key invalidation points and support levels for the different counts. There are two counts that I have here imminently, two bullish counts, and we're going to talk through them. They are basically both part of the green count. The question is only if this green wave 3 was in here and we're coming down into this region between 17,357 and 17,594 and will then move up, or if we move up straight away. Yeah, and that would only be the wave 3 high then, and then we come down in 4 and then we move up in 5. So there's two different possibilities depending on how bullish the price now is going to move, which means if we put here one more high in above 18,387, yesterday's high, then we are probably going to follow the white count, which again would be part of the green count in a more bullish interpretation. It would just mean that the green count is extending out a bit, the wave 3, or we have the high already in, and that really depends on now which support level is holding. Otherwise there's no way of telling really. What we need to understand is that Bitcoin has reached an absolute critical resistance level, this 18,387 level. You could consider that a cup and handle, but first of all we need the handle, obviously. Discussed that in the live stream. It's not a beautiful cup, yeah, it's a bit clunky. We need normally a bit of a more of a round shape, so I'm not sure how valid that actually is as a cup and handle. It's more like a double bottom down here. But either way, you could possibly get away with calling it a cup and handle. In the end, it doesn't make a difference. What we need is the handle, yeah, which would be that wave 4 in green and the wave 5 in green. So that's certainly something I'm closely observing here. And yeah, important would be now to hold a critical support. So we're going to take a look at that. So if I zoom in a little bit, we can take a look at this white structure, which would indicate that off the December low, we've moved up in a wave 1, came down into... we are still in the wave 3 based on this count, yeah, that we've done here, an extended wave 1, 2, 3. This would be the 4, and we get one more wave 5 up. Would break by moving up through the resistance here, obviously. So that would be the preferred count. If we break above 18,387, then this white count is in control and we can move up in another 4 and 5 to finish off the green wave 3. Or if we break through this critical support level now, then we come down straight away, and that would be, then we would have to consider, and we can do that, we just have to recount it as a 5 wave move, and that would indicate the wave 3 has peaked. It has certainly been strong enough. The problem is only that we haven't the wave 5, if this here is already finished, the green count, then the wave 5 was really strong. Yeah, it was really strong. Could probably get away with calling that a wave 3, then here the 4 and a truncated 5, and then we've got that solved as well. But this is really only looking into the detail. I mean, what is really relevant is now which support level is holding. So very simply, as long as we're holding this small green support area, which is between 17,850 and 18,150, we can still get a 5th wave here in white, and I would expect that. However, as soon as we break below 17,850, yeah, which is the 50% fib retracement of the 3rd wave here, plus minus maybe a couple of dollars, then we have another chance to turn around here. Then I would expect that we're coming down here in the 4th wave in green, and we'll then move up in the 5th wave. This support area is is located between 17,360 and 17,600 pretty much. And my view is, either way, I still expect higher as long as we stay above these two support areas. Actually, yeah, I mean, as long as we hold these, I do expect higher, at least one more high in the 5th wave. So that's also where I would set my stop loss, below that level. Depending on what time frame you count, you can do that as well, or you set it here and then it's, it's different strategies. Obviously, there is no right or wrong here, but certainly what I would say, if we drop below 17,100, this swing low here is actually quite meaningful. Looking at Fibonacci retracements, I think that's the first significant sign and indication that we are breaking down. Yeah, especially if we break below it impulsively. Yeah, that's just a quick update. I will obviously update later again. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.